Ready to get on?
Yep.
Yeah, come here.
Guys.
Headlight's broken.
Oh,
See that?
Lord.
There you go.
Yeah, I need to fix the headlight.
Okay. All right.
Alright. Ready to get aboard.
I'm on.
Where are we going? We're going to Mission Beach? Alright. That's a 2,800 mile trip already.
Here we go, out of Tidmouth Sheds. Nice bell ringing.
Going across the turntable. Straight ahead.
Hi, Captain.
Are we there yet?
No.
Okay.
Did you want our tickets? Thank you, sir.
Look out.
Alright, let's steam out.